To sketch a rectangle. The example was created on the top plane using the rectangle tool. The units are millimeters. Start a new part drawing. Click the top plane option, and click the sketch tool. The outlined rectangle for the top plane will rotate to the normal orientation, that is, you are looking at the plane from a 90 degrees orientation. This means that any shape drawn on the plane will be a true shaped line. Click the corner rectangle tool. Note that 5 options for drawing a rectangle are listed. The different options are helpful when creating designs. It is recommended that you take a few minutes and try each option. Only corner rectangle will be used in this section. Click the origin and move the cursor up and to the right. Click the mouse to define the line's endpoint. Note that 2 relationships are defined, coincident and horizontal. The starting point was located on the origin, so they are coincidental and the rectangle is drawn. Note also that the rectangle is not fully defined because its size has not been defined. Releasing the mouse button will define the length of the sketched line, but you are still in the sketch mode. If you click the mouse again, a new rectangle will begin. Press the Escape key or right-click the mouse and click the Select option. Use the Smart Dimension tool to define the size of the rectangle. To exit the sketch mode, click the Exit Sketch icon on the sketch panel or click the Exit Sketch icon that appears in the upper right corner of the drawing screen. To re-enter the sketch mode, once you have created a sketch and left the sketch mode, you can return to work on the sketch by using the Edit Sketch mode. Click an entity in the existing sketch. Click the Edit Sketch tool.